you please come home where the grass is green and the buffalo roam? Come see Jimmy and your Uncle Jim, your Auntie Jim and your Cousin Jim. Come home, Jimmy, 'cause you need a bath, and your Grandpa Jimmy is still gone daft. Buffalo Jim and Buffalo Jim and Jim Buffalo. Now did you know? Jim, Jimmy, it's your last cigarette, but this buffalo piss and it's all kind of wet. Jumbo Jimmy, you better hold your nose. All the roads will lead to the buffaloes. The buffaloes used to say, be proud of your name. The buffaloes used to say, be what you are. The buffaloes used to say, roam where you roam. The buffaloes used to say, do what you do. But you can't clean your name. You're now called Jimmy. You'll be Jimmy just the same. The keys are in a bag in the chest by the door. One of Jimmy's friends has taken the floor. Jimmy, won't you please come home where the grass is green and the buffaloes roam? Dear old Jimmy, you've forgotten you're young, but you can't ignore the buffalo song. Used to say, be proud of your name. The buffaloes used to say,